Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. Fresh life has been injected into the Pisgah community in St. Elizabeth thanks to the completion and opening of several new blocks and buildings at a primary and infant school. But as you'll hear in this report, the project has also kick-started small businesses for several residents.
The Pisgah Primary and Infant School now boasts new buildings all over the property. But unlike a lot of properties across St. Elizabeth, the rebuild here was not needed due to damage from Hurricane Melissa. Instead, it is a project that was conceptualized in 2019 during the COVID-19 pandemic. The facilities were officially handed over by representatives of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund (JSIF) and Caribbean Development Bank, who funded the project. In addition to catering to the educational needs of children from Pisgah and surrounding areas, the project injected fresh opportunities in the area.
On this project, a number of females were employed, and they worked from the project started until the end. A number of persons in the community were employed to work here. So every fortnight we had persons going home with something that they didn't have before. The project extended to the wider community, where a number of our parents were trained and they were given grants for small businesses. Today, one of the beneficiaries, she was able to hand over eggs.
Only one block at the school was not rebuilt from scratch. The principal said, given all the suffering around it due to Melissa, restarting classes in these new buildings offered fresh hope.
We started back school not because of learning loss or for academic purposes, but for psychosocial and psycho-emotional purposes, and to bring back some light to the community. Because the truth is, the school is the beacon of this community. The school is the light in this community. So we started back, even though we really got a beating by Melissa.
Pisgah District is among those St. Elizabeth communities still without electricity, meaning the school is also operating without power from the JPS grid. But with access to better facilities, these stakeholders feel students will be energized to spark in their academics going forward.
The learning environment is much more conducive to learning, and as such, I'm expecting that the students will do better. I know the teachers and the support staff will be now better suited or better positioned to give off their best. So I expect the learning outcomes to improve.
Shane Burke, TVJ News.